What's up, guys? So today I want to talk about my 2017 M3. So I've had this car for almost 5 years now. I still love it. It's a blast to drive. Just so much fun with this car. I've made a ton of videos on it. If you've been around on the channel for a while, I'll be making a bunch more videos on it. However, there is one thing about this car that I've kind of gotten a little bored of. Let's go for a quick drive so I can show you what I mean. Not that. That. All right, now here's the thing. I've been through a bunch of different exhaust configurations in this car, and when I landed on the Valvetronic setup with the high flow catted ARM downpipes, the stock burble tune was really obnoxious, just out of control, right? So got a copy of boot mode, and I played around with a couple of burble tune settings and ultimately landed on the GTS tune, which to me closely approximated our 2018 M3 that has the M Performance exhaust setup, and I really love how that sounds. And then last year I installed a Valvetronic Designs valve controller, which if you're not familiar with that, it's a little device that lets you control the valves independently of the mode that the car is in, like Efficient, Sport, Sport Plus. The problem there is that, well, not really the problem, but what I found was every time I would go for a drive, I would open the valves, but more often than not, almost all the time, I would stay in efficient mode, right? And so with efficient mode, you don't get that throttle response that you do on Sport, Sport Plus with all the other bells and whistles, but mostly that throttle response. And I realized over time that I was staying in efficient all the time with the valves open because I liked the sound, the pure exhaust sound, not the burbly sound. And sometimes, you kick it in Sport Plus and it's got the burbles and it's all obnoxious, and that's great and everything, but it's been a fun ride, but I feel like it's just time to get rid of the burbles. And it's not a maturity thing, by the way, because I'm like 46 going on 15, so I'm not one of those people that thinks the burbles is like some immature mod that, it's just, I find that I just like the pure exhaust sound better. But I also really much enjoy the throttle response and everything else with Sport Plus. So I think we got to get rid of the burbles. So let's go home and do that. God, that's so much fun. All right. Let's see what we got here. I don't always open up a Windows laptop, but when I do, it's because it's hooked up to my car. All right, here we are at the config setting to get rid of burbles. But before we do that, I just want to take a second and say, if you have a BMW or I think even an A90 Supra, not 100% sure, it is absolutely worth getting a boot mode license if you're even somewhat interested in tuning, right? So there's a lot of cool things you can do with Beamer code, and I've done a couple of videos on that before. Check them out if you had not already. But also with boot mode, there's a lot of config settings that you can do with boot mode that you can't do with Beamer code, and some of them are really worth getting into. So anyway, that being said, let's get rid of the burbles. So here we are at the map config page. First option, exhaust burble type. I had it set to GTS, and again, I love GTS. I thought it was great, but it's gotta go. So in our options here, we have OEM, GTS, ZZP, non-ZZP, OTS, original, custom, off. Are we doing this? Are we definitely gonna do this? Maybe I can play with some custom, no, off. All right, disabled. All my other settings are good. So let's go down, save changes, and save. All right, so now that we have saved, flash now. Finish, let's go. Success. All right, man, we're done. Time to go take this thing out being burble free. All right, now before we get back out on the open road, let's talk about these exhaust tips real quick because, man, I've had this exhaust on for about 2 years now, and it was barely even a year before these exhaust tips started showing signs of fading at the tips. And 2 years in, they are trash. If you saw the original Valvetronic video where I was installing the exhaust, I was debating between these tips, and I also got a pair of the blue the burnt titanium ones. Now I like these because I kind of like the angled look a little bit better, and I love the carbon fiber, but yeah, they just make the car look junky now. So we're gonna go and put the blue titanium ones in. I still have those. Valvetronic was nice enough to give them to me for free. My problem with them at the time was that because the blue titanium is a little bit off from the color of the car, I feel like it needs like a carbon fiber diffuser to break it up a little bit, but we'll worry about that later. All right, here are the new tips. You know what? I'm liking these. Aggression level has been kicked up a little bit, I gotta say. Still think we need that carbon fiber diffuser to break these up a little bit, but this is better than I remembered it being. All right, so valve open. Good start. And then Sport Plus. Just pure exhaust. How could you not smile? Until you catch up to a truck. You're smiling until you caught up to the truck. Yeah, no burbles. That's the way. I gotta just keep these talking points because I don't know which one I'm gonna use. Yeah. I'm trying to explain to my co-pilot wife here that I'm saying many different things to the camera because who knows what's gonna happen in editing. But
I'm just here for the ride.
Just here for the ride. Okay, so let me try to... Yeah, there's not a whole lot to say. I've had this car for almost 5 years. It's had burbles the entire time. I thought they were fun at first. I found the GTS tune with boot mode. Loved burbles all over again. The Valvetronic valve controller thing happened. I found myself riding inefficient with the valves open. That was the progression. And I just have not really been that interested in riding in Sport Plus because of the burbles. Wow, that sun is bright. But yeah, the car is just an animal in Sport Plus as opposed to efficient. So because I've been spending most of my time inefficient, I've been missing out on all the fun of this car. I've forgotten how insane this car is in Sport Plus, especially with a Stage 1 tune. And crap, a whole flood of cars. All right, guys, well, that is it for this video. So, you know, yeah. Burbles, it is a highly subjective area. I'm aware of that. Many people have fought over this subject. That's probably not true, but let's pretend it is. They were fun while I had them, and I just kind of lost interest in them. And they were good with the GTS tune, and I'm sure that if you play around in the customization settings with boot mode, there's a good setting in there somewhere, but I'm just finding that I'm loving the just plain old exhaust, plain old engine sound. Comment below. Let me know what you think on the whole Burbles situation. Do you have a car that has them? Do you still have them? Do you still love them? Did you get rid of them? Kind of curious to hear your thoughts on that. But for me, again, the pure engine sound in this car is just, it's magical. So anyway, again, hope you enjoyed the video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Well, I am officially a member of the F8X No Burbles Club. And it's pretty cool. It's a cool place. It's a good place to be. Nope. Don't love it. Whatever.
You're such a dork.
Oh my god, I know.
Nerd.
Nerd.